Welcome! Today, we're diving into a handy feature on Instagram that allows you to check when you sent a reel in a chat, especially now that the platform has rolled out some exciting updates for PC users. If you've ever wondered about the exact time you shared a reel with someone, follow these simple steps to find out. First, start by opening Instagram on your PC. Log into your account if you haven't already. This is the gateway to all your Instagram interactions, including messages and reels. Next, look for the Messages icon on the left menu. It resembles a paper airplane and is your direct link to all your chats. Click on this icon to access your direct messages. Once you're in the Messages section, open the chat that contains the reel you want to check. This will bring up your conversation history with that user or group. Scroll through until you find the specific chat where you shared the reel. Now, here comes the important part. Find the reel within that chat. Once you've located it, hover over it and click on the three dots next to the reel. This will open a drop-down menu with additional options. Finally, look at the drop-down menu that appears after clicking those three dots. Here, you will see the time when you sent that reel displayed clearly. This feature is particularly useful for keeping track of your shared content and ensuring you stay organized in your conversations. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily see when you sent a reel in an Instagram chat on your PC. Stay tuned for more tips and updates about Instagram features that can enhance your social media experience.